Welcome guys, if you wanna change keyboard theme on your Alcatel One X 2019, first you have to go to the settings, then enter settings, and right now we have to go to the system, tap on the languages and input, click on the virtual keyboard, Gboard theme, and right now we can see a lot of themes, and I will probably go for this one. So just click on it and tap on the apply, and right now when you are going to the messages and you will be using your keyboard, you will see that the theme has changed. And this is it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.